All right, so I know what happened. It just happened. You guys saw the C, and one of you went ew, and one of you was like, why is it sticky there? And okay, so the question is, find the value of C so that this is a factor. Now you guys just did this. If you want this to be a factor, you would plug in -1 to this, and you would have to equal 0, right? Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plug in -1. Why are you plugging in -1? Oh, because it says x plus 1, so we plug in -1. So we go 5, -1 to the 4, plus 7, -1 to the 3, minus 2, -1, raised to the second, minus 3, -1, and then, okay, and then plus C, and what is it supposed to equal? It's supposed to equal 0. Now, why is it supposed to equal 0? How do we know that? Because we're trying to make it so it's a factor. If this is a factor, when I plug in -1, the result should be 0. So now I only have one variable to solve for.
That's 5.
I just got to simplify and get the C alone, and then we're gold. So this is 1, so I get 5. That's -1. That's -7. This is +1, so -2. And this is +3. And then we have our C. Okay, so we have, how many negatives do we have?
2.
How many negatives is this?
2.
No, that's 7 and 2, that's 8, 9. -9.
Nope, you got -1.
And then we got 5 and 3. How many positives do we have? We have 8. Let's see. And so I get -1 right here. And then C equals 1. Now, if you guys were doing this all in your head, do you think that there was a chance that you would have put -1 instead of 1 by accident?
Probably.
Totally, right? So you might not be writing everything. Actually, I'll be honest. If I was taking a quiz and this was one of my problems, I would have written this, and I would have written this, and then that would have been it. That would be all that I wrote. Because I could clearly see it's going to be +1 by adding the -1 to the other side, or adding 1 to both sides.